Can you send me the updated timelines?
Yes, I'll email them shortly.
Please make sure all deadlines are clear.
I'll double-check the dates before sending.
Have you received the feedback from HR?
Yes, I got their response.
What did they say?
They approved the final candidate.
Can you prepare a summary of the meeting?
Yes, I'll write it up.
Please include the action items.
I'll highlight those in the summary.
Have you updated the client on the project status?
Yes, I sent them an email.
Did they have any concerns?
No, they are satisfied with the progress.
Can you finalize the budget for the new project?
Yes, I'll send it to you by end of day.
Please make sure it's within the limits.
I'll adjust the numbers to fit the budget.
Have you spoken to the marketing team?
Yes, I met with them this morning.
What did they say?
They're preparing the campaign materials.
Can you assist with the project launch?
Yes, I'll help with the coordination.
Please ensure everything is ready on time.
I'll make sure we're on schedule.
Have you scheduled the performance reviews?
Yes, they're scheduled for next week.
Please send out the invites.
I'll send them to the team now.
Can you update the team on the project's status?
Yes, I'll send out an update.
Include any challenges we need to address.
I'll highlight those in the update.
Have you completed the market research?
Yes, I finished it.
What were the key findings?
The market is growing steadily in the region.
Can you help prepare the client's proposal?
Yes, I'll gather the required information.
Please ensure all details are accurate.
I'll double-check everything before sending it.
Have you reviewed the new sales plan?
Yes, I've gone through it.
What's your feedback?
It looks solid, but I'd suggest a few adjustments.
Can you arrange a call with the IT department?
Yes, I'll set that up.
Please confirm the timing with them.
I'll send them an email to finalize the time.
Have you submitted the project proposal?
Yes, I submitted it yesterday.
Have they acknowledged it?
Yes, they confirmed receipt.
Can you help organize the office event?
Yes, I'll take care of it.
Make sure to finalize the venue soon.
I'll confirm the location by tomorrow.
Have you received the shipment yet?
Yes, the items arrived this morning.
Please check if everything is in order.
I'll inspect everything now and report back.
Can you help me with the client's request?
Yes, I'll get on it right away.
Please make sure we meet their deadline.
I'll prioritize it to ensure it's done on time.
Have you updated the employee database?
Yes, I've made the necessary changes.
Please confirm everything is correct.
I'll review it again to be sure.
Can you prepare the team for the upcoming meeting?
Yes, I'll organize the materials.
Make sure everyone is informed.
I'll send out the agenda to all members.
Have you checked the client's feedback on the presentation?
Yes, I've reviewed their comments.
What do they want to change?
They want a few minor edits.
Can you assist with the quarterly report?
Yes, I'll help compile the data.
Please make sure all figures are accurate.
I'll double-check all numbers.
Have you scheduled the interview with the candidate?
Yes, I've scheduled it for next week.
Please confirm the time with them.
I'll send a reminder email.
Can you update the client on the new features?
Yes, I'll email them shortly.
Make sure to include the launch date.
I'll add the date to the email.
Have you reviewed the performance metrics for this month?
Yes, I've gone over them.
How is the team performing?
The team has met most of their targets.
Can you help prepare the training session?
Yes, I'll set up the materials.
Make sure the content is relevant.
I'll tailor the materials to the team's needs.
Have you ordered the office supplies?
Yes, I placed the order yesterday.
When will they arrive?
The delivery is scheduled for Friday.
Can you follow up on the pending contracts?
Yes, I'll send a reminder.
Please make sure they are signed by the end of the week.
I'll ensure everything is signed and returned.
Have you completed the client's custom request?
Yes, it's all ready.
Please send it over to them.
I'll email it right now.
Can you prepare a summary of the latest meeting?
Yes, I'll write it up now.
Please include all the decisions made.
I'll make sure all the points are covered.
Have you checked the office's expenses this month?
Yes, I reviewed the reports.
What's the status?
We're under budget for this month.